When I was in high school, I had a lot of people who told me I should be a doctor just based on the fact that I was kind of a nerd. And I think that people telling me that put that in my head. So I thought I should be a doctor, even though I had never really sat down and thought about whether or not that's what I wanted. So I actually started college as a pre-med math major because I'm super nerd, I guess. And about midway through college, I kind of just had this realization that I was doing what other people expected of me versus what I really wanted to do. In that time, I had changed my major to what's called Medicine, Health, and Society, which is a major that Vanderbilt created to basically study healthcare from all aspects. So not just the scientific basis of healthcare, but the psychology behind it and the history of it and sociological implications, and look at it as a big picture. And so I loved those classes. I really enjoyed them. Did not enjoy the science classes. So when I realized that I did not want to go to med school, I started looking at how I could apply that major in a different way, and ended up looking at the field of healthcare compliance as kind of a goal industry. I had taken a class related to healthcare compliance and helping companies or hospitals comply with regulations. And so I ended up applying to law school, and I only applied to schools that had joint degree programs with either a Master of Public Health or a Master of Healthcare Administration. So I ended up at Cumberland in Birmingham and did a dual degree program and got my Master's of Public Health from UAB, and started looking for ways I could be in the legal field, but also focus on healthcare and medicine. My first summer of law school, I ended up clerking for Beasley Allen and working with Lee Odell. And so I loved it and came back a second summer, and then came back after I graduated law school, and have been here ever since.